Occupations. Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor. Have you gone to a doctor lately? Cook.
Cook. Cook.
Would you like to be a cook when you grow up?
Cleaner.
Cleaner. Cleaner.
Mops and brooms are some of a cleaner's tools.
Baker.
Baker. Baker. Bakers work in bakery.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Cook.
Cook.
Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Baker.
Baker. Nurse.
Nurse. Nurse.
Most nurses are women, but men can be nurses too.
Firefighter.
Firefighter. Firefighter. Firefighters come to help when a building is on fire.
Driver.
Driver. Driver.
A driver must concentrate on safety. Do you agree?
Teacher.
Teacher. Teacher.
Teachers are happy to share their knowledge with us.
Farmer.
Farmer. Farmer. Farmers grow the food that we eat. Isn't that a wonderful job?
Police officer.
Police officer. Police officer.
Police officers work to keep us safe.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Driver.
Driver.
Teacher.
Teacher. Farmer.
Farmer.
Police officer.
Police officer.